I'm lonesome since I crossed the hill and o'er the moor and valley. Such grievous thoughts my heart do fill since parting with my Sally. I seek no more the fine or gay.